In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the schedule for your whole organization one day or week at a time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Then click on Schedules. Next, go to your new top menu bar and click on Views. Under Views, select Organization/Day. When you do that, you will not only be able to see the schedule for the location that you're currently logged in under, but you can see the schedules for all of the locations for your company. The top one is After Hours, the location I usually work with. If I scroll down, you can see the same information for dining services. You can see who's scheduled when and all of the shifts. If I scroll back up, I can unclick by location and all of the shifts will be mixed in together. The empty shifts appear at the top, then it works its way down by employee. If I don't want to view this by employee, I can click the arrow next to employee and choose a different way of viewing. Maybe I'll do station. Now I'm seeing all of the bartender shifts first, then beverage supervisor, bus, and so on. I can also change the day. Right now I'm viewing Thursday the 23rd. If I want, I can click on this schedule and choose a different day to view that information for. I can also filter this schedule, click on a shift and make any changes that I want to. If you look in the left-hand column, there are numbers next to the station. That's letting you know how many shifts for that station are scheduled for this day and how many hours total. So there's only one bartender shift and it is for 6 hours on this day. That's how you can view your organization's daily schedule. If you go back up to the top and click on Views again, you can choose Organization/Week. When you do that, it's the same as Organization/Day, except it shows you a whole week at a time instead of one day. Notice that After Hours is here at the top, and if I scroll down, we'll go through all of those employees, then we'll hit Dining Services and all of those employees. At the bottom of each of these charts is the total number of shifts and the total number of hours scheduled. If I go back up to the top, I can change this view, and instead of having it be first one location then another, I can mix all of this together by unchecking the by location box. Now I'm seeing all of the employees in alphabetical order, not arranged by location. I can also change the week. If I want, I can view the previous week by clicking the back arrow. I can also change this, just like last time, to view it by something other than employee. If I click this arrow, maybe I want to view it by group, and I can choose group. The top group are the people who are not assigned to a group, and if I scroll down, you'll see that there's a third shift group. I can also filter these shifts. I can make any adjustments I want to. I can click on them to edit them, do all of that from here. And that's how you can view the schedules for your whole organization, both by day and by week. Check out the next video to learn how to use your schedules filters.